Whakalofalei atu. First game back for 2022. We're here with the team, Erick Netball team. A few people are not here, not sure why, but see how it goes. We're at the St. John's Netball courts here every Tuesday. Get some cardio done. Sweet.
Lovely atu, coming back to play netball. Traffic light red, so we're going to play with our mask on, but it's also going to help with the aerobic endurance, hopefully extra weight loss. But yeah, look, happy to have another run again. Yeah, let's try and get some footage on the court.
Hi Flapper. You know, I was thinking to myself, is it a problem if you're sore before you come to netball? Because my back, oh man, we had dinner and I think it must have been the salmon, but I feel like it's that, you know, it's that old age gout that's coming through. But we'll see how it goes today. I'm happy to be here. Missed last week, so today should be good. Today should be good, and hopefully we get a good solid run out of it. Sort of just working off some of this old visceral fat. So yeah, should be good. Yeah. Might see you there at the end. Alright, let's go!
First game of the year, wish us luck. We're gonna play with our mask on? I don't know. Thank you.
Here's Faith. Stevenson. Good pass. So this is a power round. Power round means each point you score, you times it by 2. So if you get a point within the yellow line, it's 1 times 2. There goes our star shooter, Faith, Auckland rep, New Zealand rep. She's our star of tonight, player of the day. Here they come. That was the star shooter. So that's 1 point, but because it's a power round, 2 points. Awesome stuff, Faith.
Oh my days! Stop recording my bag! I knew something was on.
For 2 points. The intensity is up. The commitment, the passion. Oh, look at that intercept. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not shooting anymore.
That's another star shooter. Here we go. Nice pass. Oh, too easy. This is our star shooter. Any words for tonight?
Just happy that the team could get the ball down to me. It made my job really easy. Yeah, it was really enjoyable and I didn't get a stitch, so it was good.
Well, hope you're here next week.
Yep. Yeah.
I think.
Ayo, gosti play. Gosti ficou. Kau play netball. Homo, mama hisino. Si, masi foki. Ayo, kau tofifia.
Oh, pico.
Kau tokata, yeah, kau tokata. Yeah, thank you. It was a good game. Yeah, honestly, it was feeling sore going in. I'm feeling much better. I think that's what it's about. Just go and have a jam, go have a run around. Did feel sorry for the team a little bit close to the end, so I started letting things go. But don't tell the rest of the team. But I just said, yeah, go have a shot. Yeah, that's all the fun of the game. And yeah, if you watch these YouTube clips, you should come and join us because yeah, just doesn't matter. You know, just participation's the main thing, and just make up the numbers. Yeah. So yeah. All right. Thank you very much. Have a good night. See you later.
There was an excellent game tonight, as you can see the wins, but I played defence tonight, which is why their scores were very low. I tried to get on attack, but the attackers attacked me off.
But yeah, it was excellent. Well done, team, and good first game for the year. See, we already lost 5 kgs, so well done, awesome. Hey, thank you.
For lovely atu, we got the win. Sorry, the camera turned off when I was getting my shots in, but you saw me at centre, you saw me at 6
saw the passion, bro. We saw the passion.
But yeah, Stevenson and Faith, the 2 shooters, and aced it, and great defense, and yeah, the ref was saying that was the last game and winner takes all, so we came away with the win, so I guess we can retire now. Nah. We won that game, I just tell you. Yeah, that was cool, man. So yeah, keep following us on our journey. We might have to do some weight loss challenges and some fitness challenges, but for now, just having fun playing netball.